Namaste. How is doing?
Yes.
3 years now coming.
3 years after long time.
Yeah, Corona.
Corona.
Fucking Corona.
Fine.
Everything.
Family all over.
One uncle died.
One auntie died. Corona.
Corona. But he was very old, 80 years, but without Corona he maybe get 90. Okay, yeah. And here, your family?
Everything is right.
Okay. And here in Nepal, no Corona anymore?
No more.
Okay, let's hope. Very, very bad. Somebody, I don't know, also the bike is, I don't know, maybe they let it stand outside, maybe they used it. I'm not really happy, also needs fully massage.
Need.
And I don't know, maybe the battery is also, battery is now going because they make a reloading, but I don't know. You check, you tell me. And please, everything fixing that no loose or...
Everything okay.
Okay. Yeah.
You come alone or?
Yeah, my wife want to come, but then she got sick. What's your plan? How long will it take?
How many days you will stay?
I will stay 1 month for sure, but I need yesterday.
Tomorrow, no?
Yeah.
Yesterday is not possible.
I was thinking maybe you try it. Okay.
Their staff doesn't ride this bike.
Huh?
Staff don't ride this bike.
No, looks like used. Also, I gave it for storage, but when I see now, and also this is rusty, I think they did not really protect fine. Also this is also, I don't know, is this fresh? Is this okay? It was an old bike, but look what is going on.
Oil leakage. Here.
And then look what is, I don't know why it's looking out like this. Also I think this guy to whom I gave, he broke it. Also I don't know. This is also, it's a problem now. I want to make full, but no. Wow. It all need a little oil and yeah, also. No, it's the small one. Ah. Yeah, it's something inside. Wow, costly. 160, 1 liter.
Yes.
When I left, 98.
98.
3 years ago. Okay.
You stay in cottage or?
Yeah, Sunrise Cottage. But my number is no more running.
Yeah.
I don't know. Do you know when shall I come, or I call you?
Okay. In case I inform them, I call Sunrise Cottage. Okay, sir.
Ah, yeah. You have number from Sunrise
Yeah.
Cottage? Yeah, perfect. Okay. Okay. So I leave it here. Can I leave this also here?
Okay, sir.
I don't need now.
Okay. I'll call you.
Pleasure to see you.
Thank you.
Okay, I missed you. Even I bring you to Germany because
sir. Okay, sir.
Bye.